Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today we have a challenge here. We have an employee ID and the employee ID for this particular company, the digits are 5. And you want to ensure that the employee's ID, all the digits are 5. So it means the one which have only 112 means there's a need for us to have a 0 in front of it. But normally in Excel, where we type a 0 in front of it, it will not really appear, or it will not be counted unless we introduce one way and type a 0, which means to be treated as a text. Know that in Excel, texts are aligned to the left, but that's not how we want it, because we can't be doing this one by one for all if the data, if we have a lot of data. So to really do this rightly, we'll use the custom. So first we'll select our data here, then we go to, then we use the custom here. So we go to the format cells, then we use the custom. Then where we have the custom, we'll select the first item where we have the 0. Then in there, just beneath where we have the type, we'll type in the number of digits. So we have a 0, 0, 0. So we have 3 digits, 0. So you can even see what's happening here. So we have 4 digits. Then we have another 0, so 5 digits. So we have inputted the 0. So it means in a situation where we input a digit in there where it's not up to the 5 digits, we'll have a 0 in front of it. Then we click on OK. So you will see that automatically all the employee IDs will now have 5 digits. So you will notice that it's just the display that we can see the 0. When you look in the formula bar, we can just see only the numbers which were originally there. That's the 12 and the 2, 3, 1, 4. The zeros are just visible for us to see. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on Teach Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.